Hello y'all, welcome back. So I'm with Heather today because Jesse is sick. He got a little cold from little man, so he's basically dying at home. But I still wanted to walk around downtown Raleigh and go to some different places that we haven't gone to yet. So first stop, classic that I've never shown you, but we've gone, is the Morning Times. So that's where we're going. Cocktail. I got my London Fog. I always say Earl Grey latte, but it's a London Fog. She doesn't know what she got. She's like me. Is it good?
That's good. This smells like vodka.
So can I try it? That's good though. It has to be vodka. Yeah, because I can't tell, like, it's not like rum, it's not like, yeah. It's good though. It's delicious. Do you want to try this, Andi?
That is delicious.
Dry scone. That's good.
It's very much got like a sausage ball,
like a nice sausage ball. Alright, so now we are going to Union Deli Catering. Listen, I'm so bad at these names. But they have a place, Union Special Bread is a place not downtown Raleigh, but in Raleigh, and they have the best sandwiches. And they opened up a different location at the train station. So that's where we're headed now. Did you enjoy your mocha vodka Mexican hot chocolate?
It was delicious.
I had some too.
Very good.
It was real good. It was real good.
Highly recommend.
And it's very cold out here, so we're gonna hoof it down here, get a sandwich, and see the train station. I've been wanting to take a train somewhere.
I would love to do that.
Yeah?
That would be fun.
All right, we'll do it. We're gonna do it. But let's walk fast through Raleigh. From Union Special. There's chicken, there's cheese, and it looks like pastrami, and arugula, and
some type of cheese.
Yeah, balsamic. I don't know. Looks good though. Let's go. And I got the mango line. You got the
window seat sunrise.
Window seat sunrise. Mine has somebody's hair in it. That's disgusting. Hold on. C'est la vie.
Some extra keratin.
That's right, some protein. Mine had mango, pineapple, and I don't know. Listen, I don't know. It was good. And how was yours?
It is delicious. Do you want to try it?
Yeah, of course I do.
It is strawberry, pineapple, and orange juice.
That's delicious. With some vodka. Like a little, or
See, I like
tequila.
rum and fruit drinks.
Ooh, rum.
I put spiced rum and a lot of fruit drinks.
All right, let's try our sandwich.
Okay.
Focus. Alrighty. Cheers. Chink, chink.
That is delicious.
They make such good sandwiches.
That is. I love the salmon and arugula together. It's like such a perfect.
I like arugula as a lettuce. For the right price, because this is Raleigh. So let me turn on my y'all, I got these like reusable hand warmers. You just like turn them on, and then they warm up and you don't have many pockets, and it's nice. So off to the next spot, y'all. It's sleeting. Oh, I just hit my nose. You can't hear it, but it's sleeting. It's bouncing off my jacket. Yeah. If it was just a little bit colder, it'd be snow. Durham is getting snow. We're getting sleet. It's not gonna stop us though. We're off to William and Company. Look at me remembering the name. Are you proud of me?
Very proud.
Listen, I am in like boots. I got my hand warmers. I have on a sweater and a shirt. Heather's in short sleeves and a light jacket. If we are not the most opposite people in the world, then I don't know what we are. Down this road, I started to smell Krispy Kreme because it's like right down there. And during the Krispy Kreme challenge, I don't run it anymore because it's very hard. You run 5 miles, so you run 2.5 miles to the Krispy Kreme, eat your dozen donuts. If you're competing, you have to eat the whole dozen.
Oh wow.
If you're not, you can just eat as many as you want. You just have to run with them back though. But 2.5 miles to the Krispy Kreme, and then 2.5 miles back to NC State, which is like right over in here. And it's insane. Some of the guys that do it, the college guys that do it, they do it in like 15 minutes. Like, it's insane. And like, you will be dodging puke on the road because they're throwing up. But these kids are like 20 peak shape. Like, but yeah, nope. No, I did the dozen once. I ran up here, I ate my whole dozen. Now I didn't eat the whole dozen here. I ate the whole dozen before I got back. But I felt like basura.
That sounds miserable.
It hurts. Like when you get back, you're just like, I wish I could make myself throw up. Like, because it feels bad. You feel bad. You can't eat that much sugar. If you eat 4 Krispy Kreme donuts at one time, you're probably not gonna feel great. So a dozen, it's not great.
I'm a fat girl and 1 is about my limit.
You know I had this on when you said.
I know.
Alright, so I got the Edward Teach, which is Kraken Black, St. Germain, Blackberries, Lime, and Simple Syrup. What'd you get, Heather?
Mine was the
Black Star, Larceny, Cazadores, Reposado, I think that's tequila, lemon, cinnamon ginger syrup, and apple butter. Alright. Cheers. Those glasses always make me nervous. I feel like I'm gonna spill. You know, I could drink tequila if it tasted like that.
That could be dangerous.
Oh, because it's smooth.
Yeah.
You can't tell.
There's no burn for that. That's,
It is.
yeah. That's very good.
Mr. Teach will be proud. You know who Edward Teach was, right? You know who Edward Teach was? Say it in the comments. You don't? I just asked you. You said you knew.
No, I know the name, but I don't know what he was.
Sparkbeard.
Oh!
Yeah. Yeah.
I thought you said something about Blackberry. And
No, yeah, because you said Blackberry, and I said, oh, I thought you were going to say Blackbeard because I got the Edward Teach. No, it's Blackbeard.
Okay. I did not know that was his. I probably have heard it because the name stuff, like I said, I knew the name.
Yeah. Yeah, you learned it forever ago.
There you go.
I just got done listening to, I forget what it was on the last podcast, but it was about, like, sailors and, like, pirates. It was about pirates. And they were talking about Blackbeard, and I was like, oh, yeah, that's right. His name is Edward Teach.
Because
he's from North Carolina.
Like Beaufort was.
Yeah, like on the coast of North Carolina.
I think Beaufort, because I think they kind of play into that.
Drinks. Now our last stop is Jaguar Bolera. I can't pronounce it correctly, but our drinks were good. Did you like your drinks?
It was delicious.
Yeah.
Yours was very good.
Mine was real good. My Blackbeard drink, so good. So now this place has like bowling. I think it has pickleball, some other cool stuff, but it's like not too far down the road, but it's not walkable. So we're gonna go get the car, head there. Pork belly, and I got the cheddar cornbread. So I'm gonna try this pork belly while Heather is like smashing it over there. It looks solid, and you get the Carolina Gold barbecue sauce. It's pretty solid though. Pork belly is pretty solid for like a, you know. Exactly. Come on. Cheddar cornbread.
How's the sauce?
Sauce is good. But cornbread, you need to try some of this cornbread. We both got Aperol spices. Yeah, try that cornbread. Solid. All right, y'all. So we're probably gonna go home now because it's late. We can't play all night. But I hope you enjoyed watching us bounce around Raleigh. Heather, thank you for coming.
Thank you for inviting me.
It was fun. I'm gonna have to come back here. This is cute. We could have just spent all day here. But anyway, if you've watched all this way, I appreciate you. Like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.